The IEDB can be queried using the keyword search, the simple search form on the home page, or with one of several detailed search forms available under the search bar. For more information about using these query options, please see one of our IEDB query search tutorial videos. Regardless of the query type utilized, the results of the query are displayed in a search results summary page as seen here. The search results summary allows the user to quickly access the results of their search and drill down to the level of detail that is of interest. The original search parameters are displayed above the search results summary page, along with the ability to revise the search criteria. The numbers of peptidic and non-peptidic epitopes are displayed in the topmost table of the results summary. Because the IEDB captures both positive and negative assay responses, some epitopes lack a positive value and therefore are not actually epitopes. The number of these molecular structures is indicated in the negative column of the table. The user can click on the number in the positive in all columns to view more detailed results for that category. In this example, clicking the positive results returns a table summarizing the structural and source information for the positive epitopes. Note that in some cases, the epitope information is condensed by organizing it according to structure. Therefore, structurally identical epitopes will be collapsed into a single row, and the number of similar structures will be indicated in parentheses in the source antigen and source organism columns. An example of this can be seen for epitope ID 570. From these screens, the user can follow two links. The epitope ID will provide further details about each particular structure, while the source organism provides a summary of all epitope data in the IEDB with that particular source organism. It is important that the user is aware that by following this link and any such links throughout the query results pages, a departure is being made from the original query, and as such, the data that is returned will not necessarily be relevant to the original query. As users drill down on hyperlinks to further explore the results of a query, they will find the information organized by tabs. For this example, following epitope ID 570 leads to 5 tabs. The Source tab provides information about the source antigen and organism of the epitopes, while the Reference tab provides information about the references from which the epitope data is extracted. The Assay tabs summarize the experimental data associated with the epitopes. By clicking the ID links in any of the Assay tabs, a complete assay information page appears. At the top is a summary of the reference from which the data is extracted, as well as data relating to the epitope assayed. Below it is the data relating specifically to the assay information. The Links tab contains links to relevant tools in the IEDB analysis resource or to other bioinformatics resource centers. By following these links, the user can utilize the predictive tools in the IEDB analysis resource to evaluate the data from the query results, or efficiently link to other biologically relevant information in other bioinformatics resources. Another feature available from all query results list pages is the ability to export the results as comma-separated values files, or CSV files. The CSV file exports are available in two formats: a compact format that only contains the data presented in the list the user is viewing, and a full record format that contains all of the data associated with the records in the list the user is viewing. The CSV file format can be easily manipulated using a spreadsheet program such as Microsoft Excel. Returning to the original query results summary page, the second table on the page summarizes the positive and negative responses for the 4 general assay types. Again, the user can click these links and drill down to any of these values to see the corresponding data, or export the data. The third table on the original query results summary page lists the number of epitope source organisms, host organisms, restricting MHC alleles, and references resulting from the input search criteria. As before, the user can drill down on the values in the table to find more detail related to each category. This concludes this video tutorial. Thank you for your interest in the IEDB. For more information about using the IEDB, please visit our video tutorials page.